A new report by the Auditor General has revealed that Zimbabwe's largest public hospitals, including Mpilo, United Bulawayo Hospitals UBH, Engusheni, and PANECHAMISA, are losing billions due to mismanagement. Sabina mashkobra pangwa ine anonkwa kunzi, Zimbabwe on hospitals, pangwa ine they are plagued by ghost workers and missing funds. Chiriko noko kunzi, nyika yeZimbabwe pangwa ine yakutoserisa. Right now, munyika muri kuona kwanza mune businessmen. Some of them they are aligned to the government. They are dishing out millions, thousands each and every day, vehicles. But pangwa inoi, the same guys, they are showing charity to the people. Neglect hospitals. There is no single day Rano yachi advocate kana kutora aiwa the privilege kuti vanganso develop the same hospitals. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pano pam the news bite Zimbabwe mnanyira chiti. Acting Auditor General Ria Kujinga's report exposes ghost workers, missing inventory, and unqualified staff. At Mpilo, 4 former employees continue to receive $40 million in salaries due to outdated payrolls. UBH failed to account for absent staff and employed professionals without valid practicing certificates. Engusheni hospitals yet unaccounted for inventory, including medication, while PANECHAMISA group of hospitals reported discrepancies in medical aid payment and incomplete capital projects. The audit also found that none of the 4 hospitals had a functioning management board as required by the law, and previous audit recommendations have been largely ignored. Domashwaruda pangwa inoi, Arkongon's Iwanyika Zimbabwe pangwa inoi, especially kuma hospitals. Iwanyika Zimbabwe it has been plagued, mismanagement, missing funds, ghost workers nezvimwe zvakadaro. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pabina comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.